Good evening, everyone. We are going to start in 2 to 3 minutes. To then let others also join. Today, I'm going to create the group at your end, okay? And it will be a 5 member group. I will assign you the major project and will provide you a deadline. Before that, you have to complete that, okay? And also, one more thing that with this major project, at the time of your deadline, I will check all the 5 mini projects in your GitHub repository with the live links maximum. Like suppose if 2 or 3 projects must be there with the live link also. So I will let you know about that each and everything in detail. Let others also join. We are going to wait 2 3 minutes more. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so just let me know that how many of you have created all the week 5 projects up to now, because it is important and I will check that at everyone's end. Okay, so if still not you have completed 1 or 2 project, then you have the time so that you can create it at your end. Okay, only Vivek is raising his hand, so only he have completed all the 5 projects up to now. So see what is basically the workflow that how you have to do. It's 3 October today, and for major projects you all will get a time period of 7 to 10 days. I am giving you 10 days time, and on 13th October I will take the final project presentation. Okay, 10 days are a lot of time because you are now 5 students in a particular group, and the distribution of work will be easy for you. And it's your responsibility that you will support your team accordingly and be active participant throughout the project period. Okay, so let me just first show you that what are the projects, then we will create the team, because right now only 4 students are there, so minimum 5 students team have to be created. Other, uh, Otherwise we will wait for few more minutes Yes, so 1 minute. Okay, so I think that 5 students are already there, so I am creating a group of few five. Okay, like Sushmita, Isha, Harsh, Shraddha, and Vivek. You all are in our single group, and as you all are earlier before with respect to the other group, so I will provide you the option to select. As there are two projects, you have to select one. Okay, so it's up to you that which project you will select. So let me just share my screen, and then I will basically explain you that what you have to create. So is my screen visible? Give me just okay, just a second. Okay. Yes. So let me see. Okay. So guys, the project you have to create is first one is Global Connect. A group can decide that they have to create Global Connect and Meti AI design. As I have told that those 5 students who have joined earlier than other students, they will get an option to just select between them that which one they want to create. So in Global Connect, basically what you have to do, you have to just make a project having these functionalities over there. Like what are the functionality? A full stack professional networking platform user which is enable to user to build a profile, means specifically a user can build their profile over there, connect with others, share updates, chat in real time, and apply or post job. So there are multiple platform uh, which you can take as an idea for creating this project. Like LinkedIn is one of the best example for this kind of project. So basically what condition that should match? First of all, there must be a platform where user can build his profile, okay, connect with other persons, share updates like sharing some post, chat in real time, and apply or post jobs. So there will be two portals over there. First one as a user and other one as a admin. So as an admin, you have the advantage to just delete a particular job or to post that also. Accordingly, you can create. Okay, so this is one project and other one is Mati AI. Mati AI is also simple one. I will let you know about a platform which you can take as an example while creating this. So in Mati AI, what you have to do, you have to import these functionalities. Wait, let me just go it. These files I will share in your respective groups. You have the time to read them. Okay, like so first of all there must be a canvas area where a user can drag some shapes, image, and text. Okay, after that user can upload the image to that particular page or dashboard. Okay, you can manage the font sizes, color, and rotation of the text and image also. Redo undo means what suppose if you have drawn a image over here like rectangle and you want to undo that, so you can undo that also. Then save to MongoDB with the user ID and dashboard with simple template. So these things you have to manage. Also there will be a user authentication means you have to log into a particular portal, then only you can access that. So we can just see over here Excalibur, which is a good example for this project. So see, basically this is just a second. Yes. So this is Excalibur. You don't have to copy all these things. Just you will get an idea about it that what the project wants from you. I am giving you this example, but everyone's project must be different. So see here, what is happening? Like suppose if I am drawing a particular image over here or particular shape over here, then there is an option to undo that. Okay, that's what I want. That's what they want us from that Matty design project. Then there is also a redo button. For that, you can insert images from the gallery. Okay, what is not there? There is no authentication system. Okay, like how it is different from our project in Matty AI. Just a second. You can see in Matty AI, there must be user authentication. Means a user must have their the portal for sign up, login, and also for logout. Okay, after that, just a second. Yes, after that, you have to also just make a image part. Like here, if you are going to use Cloudinary, then it will provide you features like upload the images to the canvas. Okay, you can rotate the image, drag the image, and also do the brightness part, like upscale the brightness and such things. So these are the two projects which you have to create. Okay, now I will basically create five students group for this, and those students who have joined first, like Vivek was there, Shraddha was there, Isha, Harsh, and Sushmita. These were the five students. So first I am making the group of them. So Vivek, Shraddha, Isha, Harsh, and Sushmita. You guys are in group one. Okay, and just let me know that which project you want to opt. Global Connect or Mat AI? Okay. Okay. So just now, Vivek, do one thing, that drop your contact number in the chat box so that all the team member of yours can connect with you right now. Okay. So just drop the, yes, Vishal, I will describe it. Just a second. Okay, okay, no problem. But first, these five students have opted for Mati AI. This is the Vivek contact number. Shraddha, Vatsal, no, Shraddha, Harsh, Isha, and Sushmita. Shraddha, Harsh, Isha, and Sushmita contact to Vivek right now. And Vivek just inform me in the chat box that all the members of your group have reached out to you. Okay, so this is group one, which have chosen Mati AI. Okay, and you have to create a beautiful front end for it also. Okay, like I will check that this must not be the copied criteria from here. Okay, like something must be different from this, because I have already told you about this, that how it is working. So I don't want it, the functionality must be there, but everything other like designing part must be different from it. So okay, so everyone of Vivek's group, just text him. Okay, he has already provided the contact number. So let me just also note down the name. Vivek Dubey is there. Then there is Bhavigata Sushmita. Okay, Isha Goel. Sorry, Goel Isha. After that, Harsh is there also. Okay, and one more, Shraddha in there. Okay, so these five are in one group, which is group one. Also, let me mention that this is your group 1, and the project name for them is Meti AI. Okay, so yes, Vivek.
No, sir, nothing.
Okay, okay. So everyone of your group has texted you, Vivek?
Checking, sir.
Okay. Now, after this, only Vatsal and Vishal are right now here. So let me just one more time drop a message in your respective group so that other can also join. Then I will create the second group. Just give me a second, guys. Okay. Okay, okay, then that's good. Now, one more thing, let me just tell you that with this, like project is there, what things I will check in the final presentation is, first of all, I will check all the 5 mini projects. Okay. And all of you have to share it on hr@gncipl.com. This is the email. Note down this email. What you have to do, you have to share all the 5 mini projects plus the major project link over there with the report. I will tell you that which type of report you have to create. Okay. So that only those students will get the certificate who have created also the mini project, because right now some students also will join who haven't created the mini project, but as they are in a particular group and their group member will work accordingly, so they will all over create the project. But I will check that have they created the mini project also or not. So for that, before the presentation you have to submit it over here. Now second thing is that how to create a particular report. In report C, this will be the content, like first of all, let me just take you to the table of content over here. First of all, you have to create a cover page, then the acknowledgement, declaration, abstract, introduction to the project, what you have created, and what is your project, objective of the project, which is already there, then what you have used as the tool over here, and like that's the conclusion over there. So like this you have to create. Then in references you can tell them about the things which you have used in your project and where from you have taken the reference, like this backend overview, implementation part, what you have done, limitations, what are the limitations for your project, like scalability for very high traffic, it is not working, no offline access to application feature, like this, these are the feature. So just make sure that you can take a screenshot of this page, like, yeah, you can take a screenshot of this page and you have to create the report according to this. Okay. So I hope that you have taken a screenshot for this. Let me just also tell you that this is how the logo will look like, the front page, like submitted by the team members name over here. Then the submitted to GNCIPL, certificate by college. Here you can write it like this if you want. Okay, then the acknowledgement letter over here, declaration part, and everything which is there inside the table of content. You have to create it like this. Now, uh, Vivek was asking, no, not Vivek, Vishal was asking about the explanation of project. So see, Vivek, what you have to create, there are two projects. First one is Global Connect and other one is Meti AI. Just a second, guys. Yes. So first one is Global Connect and other one was Meti AI. So Meti AI, I have already told you that they have to create something like this, which is Excalibur type, you can say clone, but with the different functionality as there is no authorization page, there are simple black, uh, you can say white screen over there. So these things they are going to change with the image, multiple things we can do in the project which you are going to build. Now in Global Connect, basically you have to add these features. Like first of all, where user can build his profile, he can connect to other users, okay, chat in real time and apply for job or post. This is similar platform like LinkedIn, okay, but you don't have to copy all the URL from there and the front end from there. You have to create it at your own. So right now in that group, Vishal is there, Vatsal is there. So I am creating the group two. Okay, so in group two, Vishal is there and Vishal Kumar is there and Vatsal Gupta is there. Gupta is there. Now, see, few students are regular, but I can see that they haven't joined today. So I will give them a chance. And if they are going to contact me after the session, then I will basically do one thing that in group two, I will add those students. Okay. So for group two, the project name, as there are only two projects and each group can take only one project. So I am assigning them the project Global Connect. Global Connect is easy comparatively. So if you are going to start with that, then it is a good project also. Review sessions where I will check the progress of group that what you have created. So like on Monday, there is one session where I will take the review that what you have created in these 2 days because there are 5 group members. So the time is enough for you to create a good progress in 2 days. Now you can ask about your doubts, whatever doubt you have at your end. Okay. And let me know that what you are thinking. And for group two, like Vishal and Vatsal, don't worry, there are 2, 3 members who are regular in the sessions. I will just add them in your group if they are going to message me. Okay. Like, okay. So right now, I'm just sharing this also. Just Vishal, drop your number over here, contact number, and I will also note it down so that in case that any other person from your wants to join your group, I will give them your number. Okay. No, no, I will share the project. Wait, I am just sharing the projects link to you guys. First one is Global Connect and then there is Meti AI. So 9. So just everyone in the chat box, please confirm that have they received the Okay, so let me just do one thing. Let me wait also so that I can text you whenever I need. Okay, so also those students who have any doubt, they can ask. And we shall do also one thing that ping me with a message. Okay, and let me also save the name of students at my end. This is first, this is second. Okay, so any doubt from any one of you regarding mini project, regarding mail where you have to share that about the report and about any team member, like if they are not interested to work with other team member of their group, so they can also let me know about that. Okay. The deadline for project, I am already telling you that it is 13 October. So 13 October is basically the deadline for you guys. In between, I will take the review sessions. 10-day time is enough to create this project. Yes, this is the mail hr@gncipl.com. Okay, like you can provide the live link, or if any project have not the live link, on one project link after that, week one project link, and you can provide the project to us. Okay, week two, week three, week four, up to week five, you can prepare the draft for that mail. And after you will present it to me, just share that immediately after that, like week six, and then share it to the mail. I will check that on the presentation day. Okay. What about others? Is everything clear to them? Yes, Vishal, don't worry. There will be a proper 5-member team at your end also. Like I can count 2, 3 members are there who haven't joined today. Like Abhishek is one of them. Manali is one of them. So they are going to text me for sure. So when they are going to text me, I will basically provide them the contact number which you have already shared to me. Just also put a message to me. No, no, Vishal. Up to then you guys can just search about that. Okay, that's why joining on time is important, as those students have joined initially. If you have joined up to 6, then I will put you guys instead of them. Okay, so if they have joined on time, then I have to give them some benefit also. Okay, okay, then I will share it with the other students who wants to join. And don't worry, students are going to join. So I will just add them in your group and then you all have to work accordingly. Just create a separate group. With Vatsal, you can create a group. Okay. And whenever a new student will come, I will just provide them your contact number, add them to the group and start with that. Okay. So is everything is clear to everyone over here? Vivek, Shraddha, Isha, Harsh, Vishal, and Sushmita. Okay, that's great. Any problem to any one of you, then you can ask. Otherwise, I think that it is clear to you that what you have to create, the report format over there. Team project will explain all members. See, yes, while presenting your final project, it will be a 15 to 20-minute presentation for each group where few parts, like suppose if two members of your group are presenting the report, then three must have elaborate the code part, like back end, front end, and some other top things which you want to elaborate. Okay. So like this, everyone's contribution is important. That's why it's a group project. Otherwise, I will assign you the individual project. So make sure that every one of you will participate actively. Otherwise, no, Vishal, for this, the deadline is 13th. On Monday, there is a progress review, like up to now in 2 days, what you have done. Okay. So on Monday, that will be there. That what you have created up to now. Okay. So I hope that everything is clear to all of you. So I guess we can just leave the session because no one is joining now. So there is no need to elaborate it. Okay. So just okay, okay. Okay, thank you so much, everyone. I think we can just wrap this session. Now you guys can also leave the session.